Hey, how is everybody doing? Bringing you the program for the week. So, this is our first week that we're adding our Thrive 45 class. So a lot of times you're going to be seeing two workouts going on. We have our Thrive Lift, and then I have our Thrive 45 side. Now, our Thrive Lift is obviously going to be a lot more strength conditioning. We're going to have barbell movements, just adding that strength element. Our 45 is going to be a lot of interval HIIT training, circuit-based workouts. Just get in, get sweaty. Okay. So let's talk about today, Tuesday. So second week in a row, bringing you a day late. Next week I'll try and get on time with this. So Tuesday in our lift, we're gonna have a 15-minute AMRAP. So you're gonna see 5 bar muscle ups, 10 burpee to plate, and 15 thrusters. Now, as many reps as possible. If we can't get our bar muscle ups, we're gonna be scaling that as usual with chest to bar pull-ups, or ring rows. That burpee to plate is just like it says. You're gonna drop down and do a burpee, and then you're gonna jump onto that plate. And then follow that with those 15 thrusters. So what I would suggest in this, for those of you that might see this later today, is with this weight, this thruster should be something that if we can't go unbroken, we can at least split it up into 8-7. So no less than 3 sets of 5 though. You wanna try and stay on that bar and keep moving. In our 45, you're gonna see 4 rounds of 30 seconds on, 15 seconds off. 8 stations. We're gonna be concentrating today on upper body and core movement. So this is gonna be a little bit different than yesterday. So yesterday's was definitely more cardio based. So you were moving a lot. You're probably gonna sweat more yesterday than you did today. Some of you might still get a little bit of sweat. This is more of on a technical side, but definitely adding a strength element with that 30 seconds on, 15 seconds off, okay? So Wednesday, lift. We're in our test out, the beginning of our 7-week phase. So this week was test. You saw 1 rep max front squat yesterday. You're gonna see a split jerk 1 rep max today. Then follow that with a 10-minute AMRAP of power snatches and back rack lunges, okay? 45, you're gonna see 2 rounds of 60 seconds on, 30 seconds off. You're going to see definitely more cardio day like that Monday. However, there is this longer rest period. Monday was a 2015 or 2010. This is gonna be a 60-30. So in that 60 minutes, you really need to push hard because you are going to get a 30-second rest. So when you're doing the 60 seconds of work, probably you're gonna go about at 80-85% on your intensity because you're gonna have a little bit of that longer rest period of 30 seconds, okay? Thursday, lift. You're gonna go back Tuesday, today, I didn't write that on. We are testing our toes to bar. Now Thursday, we're going to be testing our handstand push-up. And then we're gonna follow this with a little bit interesting workout for some of you. So it's gonna be a 20-minute AMRAP of 100 kettlebell swings, 100 sit-ups, and then a max calorie row. So what that means is once you get done with this 100, you're gonna be on that rower. So if it takes you 12 minutes to get through that 100, you're gonna have 8 minutes to get as many cals on that rower as possible, and your score is actually going to be the cals that you do get. Now, since we only have 10 rowers, if we get those classes that get over 10, you will be doing that on a bike, okay? Then 45, you're going to follow that up with a 4 rounds of 30 on, 15 off, 8 stations, legs and core. So this is going to be just like Tuesdays, but now we're going to be focusing on lower body with core, a little bit of technical, definitely more of a strength element, but still HIIT. We're still into that HIIT training. That heart rate should still be up. Friday, our lift, you're gonna now be testing overhead squat and back squat, and you're also gonna have a 1K row test, and we're gonna do some GHD, so some core work. 45, you're gonna be doing 4 rounds of 30 on, 30 off. We got some bike, renegade rows, box jumps, push-ups, and jump rope. This is gonna be, need to push hard. 30 seconds, max effort. You're probably doing 90% or greater, but now you're gonna follow it with a 30-second rest. So you're gonna get a lot of time to recover. So you just need to push really hard. Going into the weekend then, lift. We're gonna have our Saturday morning live, so 19.2. We'll find out Thursday what that workout's gonna be, and then we'll do that. So once again, just like last Saturday, we're going to meet at 8 o'clock and do that 19.2. 45, so it says usually you're at 10 a.m., you're gonna be at 11 a.m. this day. we're gonna do 7 rounds of 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off, sled, rope, sprints, burpee, knee raise, D-ball, farmer carry. Your heart rate is gonna be going on this one. It's gonna be a fun one for you, okay? So 11 a.m., this workout will go on. And then Sunday, our 45, you will end with a 20-minute AMRAP of row 40 cals, bike 40 cals, wall balls, ring rows, and slam balls, okay? So this is your workout. This is for our lift. Week 1 of a 7-week program we're gonna be doing, focusing on squatting, split jerk, and getting our first or getting better at stringing together toes to bar and handstand push-ups. And 45, you're gonna be seeing, like I said, on Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, a lot of interval-based workouts as far as certain amount of work, certain amount of rest. And then on your Tuesday and Thursdays, you're gonna be more seeing circuit, where you're gonna be focusing on a little bit more strength training with dumbbells and core work, okay? So just let us know if you have any questions, and excited to get this week start. Saturday morning live, 45 is starting, a lot of good things happening. Exciting time to be here. If you're watching this and you're not a member and you live in the Sioux City area, please come check us out. We got a lot of good things coming. Have a good day. See you in the gym.